Welcome to Top Best Picks. The best mirrorless cameras are probably one of the most sought-after photography tools in today's market, offering an unparalleled blend of image quality, portability, and advanced features. From professional-grade models boasting exceptional low-light performance and high-resolution sensors to more compact and affordable options perfect for everyday use, the world of mirrorless cameras caters to every photographer's needs and budget. This video will dive deep into the best options available, helping you find the perfect mirrorless camera to capture stunning photos and videos. Number 5. Canon EOS M50 Mark II Kit. Get ready to capture stunning photos and videos with the Canon EOS M50 Mark II. It's packed with features to make your creativity shine. This camera boasts a 24.1 megapixel APS-C CMOS sensor. That means incredibly detailed images, even in low light. The Digic 8 image processor ensures vibrant colors and sharp details in every shot. Auto Lighting Optimizer handles tricky lighting situations with ease. It features improved dual-pixel CMOS AF and eye detection AF. Focusing is fast and accurate, whether you're shooting stills or videos. Record breathtaking 4K UHD video at 24p or capture slow-motion footage in HD at 120p. Your videos will look amazing. The Vari-Angle touchscreen makes it easy to shoot from any angle. Perfect for vlogging and creative compositions. This kit includes a versatile zoom lens, ideal for a wide range of shooting situations. Start capturing your world right away. What we like. It boasts a Vari-Angle touchscreen, perfect for vloggers and those who like creative angles. Its 4K video capabilities are great for high-quality video content. If you need a versatile camera for both photos and videos, and appreciate user-friendly features, this is the one for you. What people say. The Canon EOS M50 Mark II delivers stunning image and video quality, consistently capturing sharp, vibrant, and lifelike moments. The compact size of this camera is another standout feature. It's incredibly portable, making it ideal for on-the-go shooting. One of the most impressive features for content creators is the flip-out touchscreen. Being able to see myself while recording is a game-changer. It not only ensures that I'm perfectly framed in every shot but also makes vlogging and self-recording a breeze. Number 4. Panasonic LUMIX G85. It's the mirrorless camera that delivers superb image quality without the bulk of a traditional DSLR. Get ready to capture stunning photos and videos with ease. Never miss a moment with 3 unique 4K photo modes. You can even pause and save your favorite moments from 4K video. It boasts fast and precise autofocusing to keep your subjects in sharp focus. Choose from various focus modes to suit your needs, including face and eye detection. It offers class-leading, ultra-compact interchangeable lenses and accessories. Expand your creative possibilities with a wide range of options. Share your stunning photos and videos instantly with integrated Wi-Fi. It's the perfect blend of power and portability. Capture 16-megapixel images with incredible detail and clarity. Its advanced sensor ensures exceptional image quality. Record videos in various resolutions, from 4K Ultra HD down to 480p, giving you complete control over your video projects. What we like. This camera is a compact powerhouse, offering superb image quality without the bulk of a DSLR. Its unique 4K photo modes let you capture the perfect moment. If you are looking for a lightweight, high-performing camera with excellent image quality and versatile shooting options, this is a great choice. What people say. The body is very light at only 400 g, which keeps the package easy to carry for extended periods of time. With the 14-140 lens, the combo weight's almost the same as my Sony A57 DSLR alone. The excellent EVF is similar to the one in the GH4, the grip is almost as good, the external controls, both buttons and knobs, are unusually numerous and useful, and the menus are similar to, and consistent with, those of the other models in the line. Great 4K video, lots of programmable buttons, articulating screen, and it comes with a lens as well. Number 3. Panasonic LUMIX G85. It boasts a 16-megapixel micro Four Thirds sensor, resulting in incredibly detailed images. Experience a near 10% boost in fine detail resolution compared to similar models. This mirrorless camera kit comes with two compact lenses, allowing for lighter and faster shooting. Enjoy the modern hybrid photography performance without the bulk of a DSLR. Its 5-axis dual image stabilization ensures clear handheld shots, even in low light. This technology works for both photos and 4K video recording. Compose your shots with the integrated electronic viewfinder or the tilting 3-inch LCD touchscreen. The tilting screen offers 80 degrees of upward tilt and 45 degrees downward tilt for optimal viewing. It records stunning 4K QFHD video and offers exclusive LUMIX 4K photo and 4K post-focus features. Capture photos at up to 30 frames per second and adjust focus points after shooting. What we like. It features class-leading dual image stabilization, ensuring sharp photos and videos even in low light. The kit comes with two lenses, providing versatility for various shooting situations. If you value image stabilization and appreciate having a variety of lenses to work with, this is the camera for you. Number 2. Panasonic LUMIX G85. Experience superior image quality with this versatile camera. Its advanced features make capturing stunning photos and videos effortless. It boasts a 16-megapixel sensor for incredibly detailed images. Enjoy a significant boost in fine detail resolution compared to previous models. This lightweight mirrorless camera offers the speed and performance you need. It's significantly smaller and lighter than most DSLRs. Capture incredibly sharp photos and videos, even in low light, thanks to its class-leading 5-axis image stabilization. Enjoy blur-free handheld shots. Compose your shots with ease using the integrated OLED live viewfinder and the convenient tilting LCD touchscreen. Find the perfect angle every time. It records stunning 4K video at 30 frames per second. Plus, explore the creative possibilities of 4K photo and 4K post-focus. What we like. This camera offers incredible image stabilization, resulting in clear handheld shots, even with 4K video. Its high-resolution sensor delivers stunning detail. If you prioritize image quality and stability in your videos and photos, this is a great option. What people say. Stills quality is very nice and sharp, even from the 12 to 60mm kit lens. Image quality and bokeh are stunning when paired with the 25mm f1.7. The dual IS is really good for stills and even more amazing in video. The LCD screen that allows a full swivel is really neat for selfies vlogging. The detail is amazing. But, the real shocker is the image stabilization. When paired dual IS and E-stabilization turned on, the video is practically gliding, especially at wider angles, 12mm. Handling is much better with a larger size handle for holding and taking pictures. Still light and better than DSLRs for everyday picture taking. Picture quality is superb. Number 1. Canon EOS R10 Kit. Get ready to capture stunning photos and videos with the Canon EOS R10. Its powerful features make creating amazing content easier than ever before. It boasts a Digic X image processor, ensuring your photos are sharp and your videos are in ultra-high definition. Experience superior image quality. The 24.2 MP APS-C CMOS sensor delivers crisp, clear images, capturing every detail with stunning accuracy. See the difference a great sensor makes. It's compatible with a wide range of Canon RFS and RF lenses, as well as EF and EFS lenses with the right adapter. Expand your creative possibilities. Capture every moment with its high-speed continuous shooting of up to 15 frames per second. Never miss that perfect shot again, even with fast-moving subjects. With advanced subject detection technology, it keeps your subject in sharp focus, automatically. Enjoy effortless, professional-looking results. It uses a Canon LP-E17 battery pack, and you can even charge it while it's in the camera with the USB power adapter. Power through your entire shoot. The anti-smudge coated LCD screen makes it easy to review your shots and plan your next one. Enjoy clear visibility in any lighting conditions. What we like. It offers high-speed continuous shooting, perfect for capturing fast-moving subjects. The powerful Digic X processor ensures crisp images and videos. If you are a content creator who needs speed and high image quality, this camera is for you. You can find the Amazon purchase link in the description below. Hope this video can be helpful to you. Thanks for watching.